Hello guys, it's Ringy here, and today I'm just gonna show myself. I don't know why, but just gonna show myself. And yeah, this is me. It's my room. I'm in at the moment. Yeah, this video is kind of pointless, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, whatever. I might post some more videos today. I don't know, maybe not. Hopefully I can post some. Well, if this video is posting, at least it's getting posted. Whatever, who cares? And yeah, I got 6 subscribers. 5 of them are my friends. Yeah, please just comment down below what you want me to do. I can do any first person snowball fight. It's snow outside or slush now, but yeah. But yeah, guys, this is me with a hat. Yeah, the hat. Also me, and yeah, please comment, as I said before, what I should do, because I'm kind of bored now. And I want to keep myself active in YouTube, so I can make videos for everybody. So yeah, see you.